a 50 megapixel Sony IMX890 sensor, a classic side axis camera design, 70 watts Ultra Charge with a 5000 mAh battery, the MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset. Today we are talking about the new Tecno Camon 30 series with the Tecno Camon 30 Premier and the regular Camon 30. Let's get it. To begin with, Tecno is going to be launching 4 different phones, being the regular Camon 30, the Camon 30 5G, the 30 Pro 5G, and the 30 Premier 5G. And there are going to be some similar features among these devices which you're going to highlight in this video, and also some differences. So here is my review. All the Camon series are going to have the Sony IMX890 sensor, a camera that is going to guarantee amazing portraits, a 4K steady video, and a lot more. Due to the new amazing sensor that was found in this, check out this full video that was shot entirely on the new Tecno Camon 30 Premier 5G. And that was pretty impressive, shot in very low light, so you know this sensor is not playing. It's definitely going to give some amazing pictures and videos. Now that we got that out of the way, let's actually talk about the 4 other cameras that come on this guy. We have a 50 megapixel main sensor, a 50 megapixel AF selfie camera, a 50 megapixel ultra wide camera as well, and also a 50 megapixel ultra clear portrait lens. And as you can see, these produce some amazing looking pictures with almost every lighting condition. You can see these produce high quality footage. The details, color and smoothness have definitely been improved. And the 3x50 megapixel makes it very easy for you to take portraits with no restrictions, and here are sample photos for you to check out. The bokeh looks very natural, and we also get a 50 megapixel autofocus eye tracking front camera. Night mode pictures weren't left out. As you can see, these produce very good pictures with low noise. At this point, it's good to say Tecno has done an amazing job with these cameras. They are definitely not going to disappoint for the price range. Let's quickly unbox the Camon 30. And inside the box, you're greeted with this tiny box that actually contains a 12-month warranty card and a screen protector. Tecno actually gives you a screen protector right in the box. This is so cool. You get a clear case. This is a hard clear case. A 25 watts charger. You're going to get a 70 if you buy the Premier, a Type-C cable, and the phone itself. This actually looks really cool. Let's put it next to the Premier and see how it looks. That brings me to the design. The Premier and the Camon almost look the same, with a side axis camera design, making this look like a professional digital camera. Definitely a bold, pretty looking device. On the Premier, This is thin but slightly thicker in the camera region and has an action dot feature right next to the camera. This is going to light up when you're charging your phones and taking videos and the likes. I think it looks pretty cool. And also the textured material feel at the back of the device makes this feel so premium. With this, you're definitely not going to get any kind of fingerprint, so that is really cool. They didn't stop there, they give us metallic rails all around the device, making this feel very premium on the rails at the back. The feeling you get whilst holding the Premier is one of a very expensive phone, and I like it. When you come to the regular Camon, you get the same design, but on this you actually get a plastic build in comparison to the metal and the textured material design at the back. But they almost look the same. Now let's talk about the displays. We get a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. That gives us 2x scratch resistance on a 6.7 inches display. This is also an LTPO AMOLED display at 120Hz with always on capabilities. And LTPO panels definitely save some battery, so I'm very impressed with this. Being AMOLED gives you amazing colors as well, deep darks and rich looking colors. And you find a punch hole camera at the top which gives you no distraction when you're watching your videos and the likes. They didn't just stop there, they give you animations around this punch hole camera that are going to let you know some sensitive information like notification, charging animations, and they call this the dynamic ports. Consuming content on here is very fun. They even give you a Dolby Atmos stereo speaker setup, so both speakers on here are functional at the top and at the bottom and gives you a full experience when you decide to use this to consume your content or play games. And these sound very decent, you're definitely going to get the job done. That leads me to the processor that powers this. We get a MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset. This is a 4nm chipset, definitely an upgrade from last year's release. And you can get storage up to 1TB with 24GB with 25GB of RAM, i.e. 12GB extended RAM, Android 14 and iOS 14 right out of the box. Performance has been amazing, device feels very fast, the 120Hz plus the processor feels very smooth. iOS has come a very long way, but still comes with some applications that you can get rid of if you don't like this. Playing some PUBG on here, I was able to play it at HDR settings at extreme. Gameplay was definitely one of the smoothest that I've experienced in a very long time. I didn't experience any kind of stutters or the likes. It played the game very well. For my Call of Duty lovers as well, you'll be excited to know this was able to play at very high graphics with max frame rates. And the gameplay was no different from my experience on the PUBG. It played very smoothly, the device was fast, no stutters, I was able to kill all my enemies.
Contact with enemy. I got shot. Contact with enemy. Reloading. UAV online. Tango down. Targets in sight.
For my tech heads, this is what the Geekbench is giving us this year. Definitely an upgrade from last year's generation. So this device in general has performed really well. You get a lot of improvement, not just when it comes to the gaming, also in the camera department. You have the ability to wipe the background or hide certain things in any picture that you've taken. That feature is really cool. I'm very happy to see Tecno is also implementing some AI features in their phones. Now that brings me to the battery. This actually comes with a 5000mAh battery and supports 70 watts of super fast charge. And Tecno claims you'll be able to get 80% of charge in 30 minutes. That's definitely amazing. We're definitely going to be doing a charging test, so make sure you stick around. So in summary, what do I think about the new Tecno Camon 30 series? I think these are amazing. We are definitely going to be doing a lot of testing more, so make sure you stick around. But I really love the design on this, especially the camera design and also the material feel at the back here, the metallic feel, all in all, and this looking like a digital camera. Not forgetting this little red that lets you know when you're charging your phones and the like. I really like it. The Tecno Camon 30 Premium feels very good in the hand. The regular 30 also looks really good with amazing features as well. So if you're in the market of picking up a new phone, make sure you stick around because we're going to be making more exciting videos about this for you to check out. If you have any questions about this device, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll let you know in my next coming videos. As usual, stay liquid and I'll see you in my next upload. Peace. I'm out.